plug first.
What is that doing?
So it's gonna blow up.
What? What? Oh, fuck. Damn it, Tyler, I knew you brought that. I fucking knew you brought that, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, you know who it is now, no? Yeah, see?
Oh, no.
Hey, why are you laughing?
That's what you get for eating my snack.
Did you do it?
Yeah. No! No! Oh my god. Okay, all right. Cincinnati. Cincinnati.